Hello, study family. Welcome to Medicagram. I am your study panda, helping you deal with not so positive thoughts and emotions that you might be experiencing during this prep phase. Welcome to Gyan Time with Medicagram, wherein you and I together shall address all these problems and develop a positive approach towards them. On today's episode of Gyan Time with Medicagram, let us address a new problem: consistency. With practically every exam in the country being postponed, you do not know how to deal with it. You do not know how to deal with the delays, the unexpected events that have occurred. You do not know when is the exam actually going to happen. And the worst of all, you have no idea if you will be able to sustain till then or not. Firstly, let us understand the exams had to be postponed. It was the need of the hour. The country is badly hit by the pandemic, and the frontline warriors and the healthcare workers are doing the best they can to save as many lives as possible. But we as an individual should also do our part. We should mask, stay home, stay safe, and get vaccinated as soon as possible. This is the least that we can do as a person to fight this pandemic. Now, when it comes to consistency, with no date in sight, you do not know if you can sustain any longer. You do not know if the exam is going to happen anytime soon, and you have no clue if you have the energy left to sustain till then. So, if you're already feeling burnt out, I would suggest taking a break for the next 2 to 3 days, wherein you stay away from all forms of social media, all forms of news and information, and just be yourself. Just unwind, sleep as much as you want, and just get away from all those negativity that is bothering your mind. If you think you can't let go some negative thoughts despite doing all this, I would suggest writing them down on a piece of pen and on a piece of paper, and just vent out all your feelings on the paper. Once you're done, tear those pages apart and throw it in the bin. Trust me, you'll feel way lighter. Listen to some soul soothing music. A.R. Rahman music is what works the best for me every single time. So, after doing all of this, let us come to the part which is the most important: how to be consistent. See, honestly, even I am feeling lazy. With no date in sight, we are bound to feel lazy. That is because for more than a year, you have been struggling, slogging hard for 10 to 12 hours a day, studying the best that you can. And you thought the exams would get over, but the unexpected postponement has just triggered all the fears and insecurities of what those thoughts, negative thoughts that you had. But we still have to deal with it, right? So, I have started a new challenge called the 21 Days with Study Panda Challenge, wherein the only aim is to be consistent. All you have to do is go to my Instagram site, wherein I have posted all the information about this challenge, and you will find the link of all the downloadable and printable planners, so that you can become consistent. The only aim is to be consistent and at least study for 4 to 6 hours a day. Do some workout, do some meditation, and a few MCQs, and you're done. You also have time to spend with your family. You also have the scope to do the things that you love while still being consistent. So, you and I, together as a team, shall do this challenge. It doesn't matter when you start the challenge from. Whenever you start, that will be your day one. and you can take a break whenever you want according to your schedule. On the day when you take a break, you upload a break day card. On the next day, you again go ahead with the schedule. Suppose I have studied for day 1, 2, and 3. On day 4, I have taken a break. On the next day, on day 4, I will upload a break card, and on the next day, I shall upload a day 4 card. So I hope you're understanding, and you can give the grand tests or exams as and when you want. The whole idea is to keep a track of the time that you're spending. You have to know what on earth are you doing in these 24 hours every day. This will give you an idea of the amount of hours you've spent on a subject, or the amount of hours you've spent doing a particular question bank. It doesn't matter which year of med school are you in. It doesn't matter if you're in med school or any other school. All that matters is you are a student who's studying. So, go ahead and join the 21-day challenge. At the end of every day, you can upload your Instagram story with the filled daily planner and tag me, Medicagram, with the hashtag 21 days with Study Panda. At the end of 21 days, where we have completed the challenge, I shall be selecting 3 winners who will get a free giveaway. So, spread this message with all your friends and study mates whom you think would benefit from this challenge. And please like, share, and subscribe to Medicagram for more updates and for more such problem related hacks. And if you think you have some more suggestions to give, I would love to hear from you. Please do let me know in the comment section below about the topic that you want me to address in the next episode. Stay safe, stay home, and take care. Love you, Medicagram.